When I first started using Instagram, I was completely overwhelmed because I felt like I was doing it wrong. I mean, okay, I was showing up on Instagram, like I was posting, but I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted. And I felt like, what am I missing? Here I am wasting all this time and not having time for like my friends or my family or to do the things that I really wanted to do in my life and in my business. And I knew something had to change. So I took a step back and I took the time to create a plan and a strategy and understand what I was doing for my business on Instagram. Because I wanted freedom. I wanted time to spend time with my friends. I wanted time to go and travel. I wanted time to work at home in my yoga pants. And the idea of freedom, the person who set this beautiful example for me was my dad. My dad was a line cook. My dad was a truck driver. My dad cleaned septic tanks. And even though all of those jobs were really simple, he valued freedom. And his freedom looked like taking his family out on payday. So twice a month, we would go to this Mexican restaurant and we were all instructed we could only order half of a burrito. So we'd get burritos, we'd cut them in half, and my mom would say, you guys can only get water. But even that was so simple. My dad taught me how to value the freedom of decision. How are you going to enjoy and spend your time? And so now that I'm older, I now look at the freedom that I want in my business. I want to travel. I want to explore the world. I want to create. I want to have time for my friends if I want to enjoy a midday long lunch. So my question to you is, how do you define freedom? Is that going to your son's soccer game? Is that never missing a PTA meeting? Is that you going for a round of golf at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Is that you prioritizing making a homemade meal every single night for your family? What is your freedom? Now, once you identify that, I want you to stop wasting time using Instagram without a plan, without a strategy, because you're wasting your freedom. So, if you would like to create more freedom in your life, if you'd like to have a plan and a strategy on Instagram, I would love to see you on the inside of Insta 180. If not, I still wish you all the best, and I want you to prioritize one thing: your freedom.